Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya and this is Thoughtful Creation 27. For this video, it's a tutorial for this watermelon bracelet as you saw, and I think you want to make it, that's why you clicked on this video. And we'll be making this. I'll be guiding you how to do it. If you are doing it for the first time, you should know the basic knots. I also have a video on that. You can look it up. And also some beginner friendly bracelet tutorials which you can practice first before doing this one. It's a fairly medium level bracelet, I can say intermediate, not advanced, not beginner friendly. But if you have made chevrons and candy stripes and have the hang of it and want to try something new, this is the bracelet for you. So let's get into the video. So for this watermelon bracelet, guys, you'll need 4 colors: red, 2 greens and a black. You'll need 4 strings of red, 1 string of dark green, 1 string of light green and 2 strings for the black. And on the screen I will show you the lengths for the strings, because the greens one will be longer in length since they will be knotted the most and may run out while knotting, so I'll suggest to take the greens a bit longer. I will tell you the length on the screen here. And let's get into knotting the bracelet after we have cut the amount of strings we need. After you've cut your strings, take 6 inches from one side and then tie a slip knot. You wrap the bundle of threads around your fingers and then loop it into the threads, and then this is a slip knot. I do this because it's easier for me to open this after I'm done with the bracelet and do my ties. And I will fix this on my clipboard. And now we will start arranging the threads and start knotting the bracelet. To start arranging the bracelet, first we'll take the dark green and do a backward knot on the bundle, because we're doing a half triangle start. So first we'll do a backward knot on the whole bundle with the dark green, and then we'll take the light green and do a backward knot on the whole bundle. Now we'll take a red thread and do a backward knot. Then one of the black threads and do a backward knot. Then we'll take another red thread and do a backward knot. Then one more red thread and do a backward knot. And then we'll take the black string and do a backward knot on the last red string. Now you can see that all of the strings are arranged in an order. Now we'll start knotting our bracelet. Now we'll take the dark green thread and do forward knots on all of these strings till the last red thread. After this, we'll take the light green thread and also do forward knots on all of these threads till the dark green thread. we'll keep aside the green strings and take the outermost red string and do forward knots till the last red string. After this, we will take the first black string and the red string and do a forward knot with the black string on the red string. Next, we'll take the next red string and do a backward knot with the red string on the black string. Keeping the red string aside, we'll take the black string and the next black string and do a forward knot. Keep the black string aside. Now we'll take the outermost red string and do forward knots on both of these strings. Now we'll take this black string and do a backward knot on the red string. Now you can see that the watermelon pattern is starting to show. Now we'll separate the 4 strings, these 4, black, red, red, black, and take this inner red thread and keep aside the green and 1 red thread and take this red one and do backward knots on all of these 4 strings. So first we'll do on the black string, then the red string, then another red string, and lastly on the black string. Now our first watermelon is done. Now we'll continue this green border around this. So for that we'll keep aside the light green and take the dark green and do backward knots on all of these strings till the last red thread. After this green, we'll do the border with the light green, but we'll not go till the dark green. We'll do light green backward knots till the last red thread. Now we did the watermelon facing the left side. Let's also do another watermelon facing the right side. So again we'll take the outermost red string and do backward knots till the last red string. After this, we'll take the outermost black string and do a backward knot on the next red string. Then we'll take the same black thread, keep this red thread aside, take the next red thread and do a forward knot with the red thread on the black thread. Now keeping the red thread aside, we take the black thread and do a forward knot. Keeping this black thread aside now, we'll take the red and black and do a forward knot with the red thread on the black thread. Now after this, we'll keep this black thread aside and come to the outermost red thread and do 3 backward knots on each of the strings. One on the red, one on the black and one on the next red. With the outermost string, another backward knot and one more on the last red thread. Keeping the red thread aside, now we'll take this red thread, this one and the black thread, and do a forward knot on the red thread with the black thread. Now we'll take this red thread and do 2 forward knots, one on the red thread, one on the black thread. And now you see that our second watermelon is also done. Now we'll take the dark green and do forward knots on all of the threads till the last red thread. And you can see this is the step we did at the first row. So now you can go back to the video and continue making both of your watermelon simultaneously. And for this bracelet I usually do 12 watermelons and it comes to the length of 14 centimeters. So after I'm done with the 12 watermelons, I'll come back and show you how to finish this bracelet. So now I'm at the end of my bracelet, and to finish this you will have the dark green thread at the outermost string. So first do a forward knot on the light green string, then we'll do a backward forward knot on the green and the next red string, and then we'll take the red string, black string along with the bundle and do a backward forward knot. Then take the next string and do a backward forward knot. Then the next string. Then the next. And then the last string with the whole bundle, we'll do a backward and forward knot. We have closed our bracelet and now we will do our ties. So for this twisted tie, since we have 8 strings, I like to keep all the red strings on one side. The green and black string on one side. And then we'll take the first bundle and twist it in a clockwise direction using our fingers, and then hold it with our index and thumb and do the same on the green and black bundle. Twist it in a clockwise direction and you have to keep it tightly twisted, and then holding the both bundles together we twist them anti-clockwise now, and you can see the twisted pattern forming. and then we tie the end. This is how I secure all my bracelets, and I'll do the next one and show you how it looks. This is how the bracelet looks. It's done, and you can see the twisted ties. I have 12 watermelons altogether, and this is how it'll look. This is the back. So this was it for this tutorial. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials and future vlogs from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.